So a big afro, big elongated curls are the norm. It's what people go for. It's probably what you want with your natural hair journey. And in my opinion, it's what I've seen permeate throughout the natural hair community and movement to be more desirable. Lots of people tend to fall back and not want a teeny, weeny afro, which can be still very cute and impactful. Everyone dreams of big, voluptuous curls, a mega volume, right? Is there a product out there that can give you the desired effect that you are looking for? Well, maybe. This is a hair product review, and today we'll be talking about this baby right here. So I was walking up and down the aisles of either Clicks or Dis-Chem, I think it was Dis-Chem, and I was looking for a new product to feature on my channel here. Hi, the name's Fifi. I do natural hair. I'm also a twin mother, helping other twin moms navigate complicated life. But today we're talking about this product. I was walking down the aisle and decided to have a look at what is new, or what hadn't I paid attention to when it comes to other brands, more specifically Dark and Lovely. And this is from their Naturale branding, which is targeted at naturals. It's called the Dream Big Curl Elongating Treatment. So curl elongating treatment, had me, curious, very curious, because this is something I know that quite a few people who follow me, dream of and actually desire. So let's see if this product truly puts it to the test, or if they're selling dreams. All right, let's start off with week 1. Here is a clip of my hair unwashed before the treatment, right? My hair had been in a stretched state eventually, but throughout the week, because I'm exercising once more, my hair shrunk down. So this is me taking a test strand and just elongating that to show you if we can pick up a difference in 3 weeks. Now, this product, they do suggest that you use it for at least 3 weeks, and I will be giving you my results after using it for 3 weeks. But let's start off with week 1. So I decided to incorporate this one as a usual, or rather to my usual wash day routine, which involves clarifying my hair, washing it with shampoo. It involves detangling it with a deep conditioning mask, wearing a plastic cap or a shower cap over my head in order to lock in that moisture. I do have low porosity hair. I'll either sit for an extended amount of time, 30 to 40 minutes, without heat, but with that plastic cap, we are generating that sort of greenhouse effect, right? And if I am in a hurry and if there is electricity, because this is South Africa, darling, I would sit under my hooded dryer that I got from Clicks. I will link it down below. Do a quick blast of that heat, 15 minutes to 30 minutes, rinse out the deep conditioner, and then I decide on how to style it. But of course, applying a leave-in conditioner, then I decide either foam, a mousse, a gel, something or the other to style my hair if I'm wearing it in a curly wave pattern for that week. So that's where I incorporated it, and this is where it would actually come in, is before my deep conditioner. That is when I used this product, right? And my first impressions, it is quite a watery texture. I was taken aback a little bit by how not thin it is, but it's quite thin versus what you would get from a deep conditioning hair mask. And I, for some reason, was thinking alongside those textures, but it isn't too watery. It is manageable. You can apply it quite well to your sections, and I didn't experience any drip from my hair onto my shoulders. I did this all in the bathroom. It can get messy, and I was just trying to minimize that. So you apply it after washing your hair, and they do recommend, let's see here, they say wash your hair with Naturale Wonder Wash moisturizing shampoo and rinse out. Then apply Naturale Dream Big on wet hair and leave for 15 minutes. After that, you rinse it thoroughly. So besides not using their brand of Naturale hair shampoo, I just went along with it and followed the instructions, left it on, applied it in 4 sections. So I really took my time, and I was quite liberal trying to work it into my hair as well to ensure that the cuticle opens up and these chemicals can be absorbed in. I can really work it in my hair. You leave it for 15 minutes, and after that I rinsed it out thoroughly. Now, something that had me in a small panic was the fact that it had a scent to it. It's not as pleasurable as one may think. It smelled like burnt popcorn. It smelled like ammonia. It smelled a little bit like a relaxer, which had me panicking to say, Refilo, are you about to text lax or, kind of relax your hair, but you just didn't know it? You were just taken by the natural hair care branding on the package and the fact that it's au naturale, So that was a pause and a point for concern, but nothing happened. There was no tingling, there was no odd sensation, there was no, your hair sort of turning gummy, the typical relaxer texture that you would feel with your hands, or you'd feel on your head. So there was none of that. But that smell, let me tell you, you will recognize it. After washing it out quite thoroughly, I then continued on with my natural hairstyling regimen. I actually decided to use their curl activating gel. I will link up above that review, and trust me, those curls were popping. I wasn't expecting much from the Dream Big product just yet, because it was week 1 and they say a minimum of 3 washes, right? Use it 3 times over 3 weeks, and yeah, I didn't have much to expect. So off I went on my second wash day, consecutive wash day, and used it as a part of my usual wash day routine. I shampooed, I then applied the Dream Big product, and then I would deep condition my hair and continue with my regular styling. At some point in my second week, I was like, I don't know, I'm not quite convinced. I'm not seeing anything dramatic quite yet. And I thought, let's have a look at the ingredients list. Now, anytime that you are doubting that a product is not for you, or perhaps you are not understanding what this product is meant to do, beyond reading the beautiful packaging that they have, the details that they have on the website, get into the ingredients, sis, and you will unlock a world of knowledge. Can it be intimidating the first time you do it? Yes, but knowledge is power. You already know, if you follow me from, my mommy channels and my motherhood content, that I am a Googler. I will Google. If something, is just not giving it to me right, I'll Google, and I'll want to see if I'm doing anything incorrectly, or if there's something I could be doing better in order to boost how this product works. Let's get scientific, let's get into it. One of the first products that I saw, or ingredients listed, is, I'm not going to try and pronounce all of these. It would be too embarrassing. But this product right here promises to detangle, condition, and it gives some frizz-free properties, or rather, let me say, this ingredient that's included in today's product that we're reviewing. And indeed, I was able to sort of detangle my hair. It wasn't when I would do it. So I usually detangle my hair with my deep conditioner, or a quick rinse out conditioner. But this product actually did offer enough slippage. So I thought, you know what, even if I'm not sold on, the promises that it can add more to your afro, add up to 3 centimeters, I believe they claim. I know that this ingredient is in this product, and it actually is helping my hair. I did notice that my curls were a little bit smoother, and I'll tell you why as well. There's another product we have to thank for that. And here she is. This is the next ingredient that I picked up. A very long name, very complicated name. Honestly, don't get paid enough to try and attempt to say it. Also, this video is not sponsored. Like I said, I went out and I bought these products by myself. So this promises to give us detangling properties. It has smoothing properties. It flattens the cuticle surface as well. So what will happen is, when your cuticle is smoother, you'll have a healthier look to your hair, right? And I do believe that you can get a little bit of length, a little bit of extension from that. So the Dream Big Curl Elongating Treatment by Dark and Lovely for Naturalistas, au Naturale, does promise softer and stronger hair. And I think that's also due to this product right here that is included. Product, why do I keep saying product? Ingredient. Take a shot every time I say product, but I mean ingredient. So this also has hydrating, moisturizing, and smoothing properties, just like many other ingredients of the cetyl alcohol family. I presume, I think is that one is how it's pronounced, but I will of course include the text over here. And finally, this is why I could smell ammonia. So this is a product, after a quick Google, that is typically found in dye products, in hair dyeing products. Now it doesn't smell as strong as ammonia does, but has an ammonia-like smell. And she is to blame. But what she does is pretty cool, and I believe is what is the key to unlocking that length that you want, from taking the hair from, a tight spiral to a slightly looser curl pattern. So this product. I clearly need a second cup of coffee. It's Monday. The weekend was hectic. The twins just slammed us with energy. But I'm here. I'm focused. All right. This ingredient is the key. It does something quite interesting. It's able to lift the cuticle on the hair shaft, right? And I believe it is able to do that to allow other active ingredients of this recipe to flow in and sort of manipulate the structure of your of the hair, right? So it's quite cool to kind of Google and imagine and understand what some of these products and ingredients entail. So after week 2, where I had my doubts, and after that Google, I was able to put a little bit more faith, a little bit more hope and trust into this product, that I should see some difference, right? That was only week 2. Let's talk about week 3. Finally, I then washed my hair once more, incorporating it as a usual part of my wash day routine, and I noticed something quite interesting when I was applying this product, or after I had initially applied the product. So I work in 4 quarters and typically start at the back. The right hand section just seems to go easier, then go there, then go there, then go there. By the time I was done with the front, I had noticed that at the back my hair had a slightly looser curl pattern than what I was used to. So I believe that even on one singular head of hair, if you are a type 4 natural, you can find different curls that can fit 4A, 4B, 4C, standardization or definitions, right? And I found that the back of my hair, because I once had an undercut many years ago, we'll talk about it later, that for me is the most natural of my hair. So the rest of my head, I transitioned from relaxed to natural, and I forgot to actually mention in the video where I talk about it, I'd actually cut the back of my hair in the like just go with me, okay? And that for me is the most natural hair. So I like to see quite quickly how, let me say, it is easier for me to see how well a product is going to style my hair according to that back section, because that hair, I believe, is my truest natural hair. So I noticed that, okay, she's giving a little bit more of a wave. It's giving more 4A than it is giving 4C, and that was quite interesting and exciting to see. But now here we are with the final results, the side by side that you have been waiting for. If you ask me, I don't see much of a difference. And this product actually promises, let's see. All right. It says It was tested on 500 South African women, curl types 4A to 4C. Immediately, 100% of women say their hair is softer and feels stronger. I'll give them that. I did feel that my hair was softer, and I actually was able to detangle it using this product. That was pretty cool. After 3 uses, 99% say hair is easier to detangle and style. I'm not going to give them 100 out of 100 for that one just yet, because I've been dealing and washing and styling my natural hair for so long. I'm able to pick up, or I know when I've thoroughly detangled my hair after a wash day and when I haven't. So I'll give them a 40%. I noticed a 40% difference in the detangling, in how more manageable my hair was. I don't like saying more manageable, like type 4 hair is a problem, but that's the language that's generally used. But you know, I'm speaking from the heart, you understand. And visibly, they say afro hair is bigger and softer. I did not notice that my hair was bigger nor softer, but I will say that initially when it was wet, after that 3rd use, right, seeing that curl just a little bit looser does give them the credibility that this is a product that can give you a bigger hair or longer hair, because the products were able to relax that tight curl of mine from a 4C to more of a 4A. And I do believe that can give you a couple of a couple of centimeters, right? So my final thoughts and my final verdict is that yes, this product can work for you, but don't expect to go from a teeny weeny afro to beautiful, long, voluptuous curls that we often see in the natural hair community. I think be a little bit realistic with your results. They do state here that this was an instrumental test and results may vary. They also have an illustration here, and even in that little illustration, you can pick up that the difference between the sides of the afro isn't that extreme, right? These are still results you can achieve with various styling or stretching methods, I believe, but it's a fair attempt. I'm willing to recommend this one, but just don't set yourself up for failure by expecting dreams, by expecting some miracles to happen with your natural hair. So thank you, Dark and Lovely. Hope that we can work together in the near future, and thank you for developing something that felt a little bit overdue in my experience, right? In terms of natural hair. Dark and Lovely becomes that brand, instantly recognizable. You opt to, the name, you trust the name. So it's lovely to see them innovating and doing bigger and better things in the natural hair, the industry, the sphere, the community over there. The name is Fifi Batila. Please hit like down below and leave a comment in the comments section if you enjoyed today's video. You can leave little purple heart emojis, okay? If you are a Dark and Lovely stan and you can't wait to try out this product, leave purple heart emojis. Not only are you showing the brand and you repping your set, but you're also helping me and this channel grow through your interactions and engagements. It lets YouTube know that, hey, this girl's talking about something that people are interested in, and I think other like-minded people may enjoy this video. So please engage with the content, share it if you have a naturalista in your household, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.